Hey, it's Alexa. Come spend a few days in LA with me. I started the week off trying the new La La Land Cafe that just opened in Beverly Hills. It's such a pretty coffee shop. It has a pool table in the back, and the coffee is very good. They have a few locations throughout California. And after that, I walked around Beverly Hills for a little bit. Okay. Happy Sunday. I'm about to head over to the Grove. Giorgio Armani has a pop-up there, and they're giving away free full-size products, and they also have a coffee pop-up as well, so I'll see how long the line is. Usually pop-ups in LA get pretty crazy with hour-long lines or hours, so we'll see how it is when I get there. What are you looking at? As soon as I pulled into the Grove, there was already a huge line wrapped around the block, and this was for just the makeup part of the pop-up. I was going for the coffee part mainly, and if the line wasn't too long for the beauty, I would have stopped by, but girls were saying that they were waiting there for hours, and the pop-up didn't even start for another 2 hours, so definitely was not waiting in that line. And the coffee line, there was some people, but it wasn't too bad. It took about 20 minutes to get the coffee, and I love a pop-up. I love doing stuff like this. It was a Sunday morning, so didn't have too much else to do. Just to show you, this was the line for the beauty part of the pop-up. It's crazy how long these lines get. People in LA love a pop-up. I just got my coffee. It was only like a 20-minute wait, so not too bad. The line is crazy now. I just left the Grove and got down at the pop-up. Sunday mornings there are so nice before all the stores open. All the music is playing, Frank Sinatra, Michael Bublé, which I love. So I think I'm gonna start taking Leo there on Sunday mornings to go for a nice walk and grab a coffee before all of the crowds come in. It's so peaceful there. I just got back from the farmer's market and they have tangerine juice again. I'm so excited. This is probably one of the best juices I've ever had, and it's local from an LA ranch, and I will definitely be going back every Sunday and getting a couple bottles of these. The next morning, I headed back over to Beverly Hills because my favorite bagel truck, Yeasty Boys, was giving away free bagels, so I had to grab one. You know I love a pop-up. I just went to the Yeasty Boys pop-up in Beverly Hills, and I got this breakfast sandwich. It looks really good, bacon, egg, and cheese, and I just came to Alfred to eat it, and I have a view of the Beverly Hills sign. It looks really good. Since I was already in Beverly Hills, I decided to take a walk down Rodeo Drive. I love window shopping and seeing all the luxury cars and stores. It's one of my favorite things to do. On my way home, I grabbed lunch at Leora, which is a newer cafe in Beverly Hills. I've heard so many good things about their chicken Caesar wrap, so I had to try it. It was huge, and everyone keeps saying it's the best in LA. And while it's good, I'm not sure I agree it's the best in LA, but still worth a try. This has turned into a food video, but the next morning I stopped at Croft Alley before heading into work. Thank you so much for spending a few days in LA with me. I'll see you next time.